looks a little bit afraid. Probably she's eating her food. So that's the beautiful highway on which we have this farmhouse. So that's our farmhouse, which I'm gonna take you into. That's actually the highway which I just showed you. Right over here we have this, what do you say, I don't know the English word, but this is where we keep our cows, buffaloes, and we feed them with the food. I don't know the English terms of any of them. So this is the complete structure we have. See, those birds are chirping over here in the plants and trees. I'm actually gonna take the camera. Let's go. I'm gonna take you to a closer look of that buffalo which we have. So we have this one. This is the smaller one, the younger one, and we have this cute little one. That's the big one. I cannot do that to the big one. No way. That's the chameleon. And this is a small little powerhouse which we have. This is the complete go down. That's a small little tractor which we have over there, which we use for farming. That's our Sultan. Sultan. Hello. He's too dangerous. So we have small little plants over here, and whenever we feel like, we can just take a quick look over here. We have mangoes on the top, and this is so nice. This is so much nice. This is actually better than what we have. That feeling in the AC. This is natural, so cool. The sun is right on top of me, but still it's cold. It's cool because of this natural plants, trees all across in the farm. Actually, this is like a little bit of dry place. These are mangoes which we have. This is a smaller one. I don't know the English term of it, but this is like datardu in Gujarati. Datardi. All these are small little plants which we have. That's the entire farm which is right now being chopped for some of the other seasonal fruits or vegetables. And this is our complete house which I'm going to take you into in a while. That's another go down which we have over here. And that's the complete farmer's look. This actually we can do. these are the pipelines which we have for water supply throughout the farms, and there are various different things connected. So water goes inside this in small little lanes. This is known as powder. So all this stuff, if you want to remove this one to this so that the water supply goes over here, we can just grab over here, pull the water, pull the soil over here, make this structure and let the water flow from this to this part. So this is like a path maker inside the farm. It's known as powder. This is like chula. For people who don't know, this is like chula on which we can cook food inside the farm. We just have this coil, we just heat it up and we can put a vessel on this and it heats up. So this is like natural induction. And that's it. So last night I was sleeping right over here. So the bed is gone which was there over here.
It's super awesome. If you can see right over there, the parking slot and everything. So I'm gonna be showing you the entire village tomorrow morning. See ya. Good night.
But we have another bed which is right over here. My grandfather, when it is cold, he just sits over here, he sleeps and chills out under this coconut tree. So we have these coconut trees in front of the gate. So we have one over there, second over here, and third in this spot. They are this long, yet to be grown. We have another mango tree over here. We have most of the time we have more of mangoes. So this complete thing is more of mangoes. I'll definitely show you how the tractor works if you don't know. It's just a vehicle. And I'm gonna kiss that cow. It's a little bit afraid. Probably she's eating her food. So all the visitors which come in the house, if they want to drink water straight away, they have this water. But this is like cold water because under this tree and everything, this remains very cold. Not that chilled of refrigerator, but it's natural cold. And other than that, you can have this shade. You have this shade, and you can just sit over here so that the sun is not there. And this is our house. So let me just take you inside the house. It's very plain and simple. So we have this over here. We have a couple of rooms inside which I cannot go over here because there are people sleeping right now. I'll take you to the terrace. All those plants which I was just showing you from the top. This is the top view. That's the highway which I was telling you. So you can see there's the highway. The cars are coming and it goes over there. So if you are aware about Gujarat, this is like Mangrove highway. So there is a city known as Mangrove and this is Keshod. So between Keshod and Mangrove, this is the national highway which is getting connected. And this farmhouse is completely like on the highway. So it's fun. It's a nice little hangout place for us as a family, and even our family members are staying over there, and that's the farm look from the top. These are a couple of showrooms which we have over there. People stay in this small little houses where the workers are working. You can see over there as well, there are some cows and things like that. So that's it for this particular episode, guys. I just wanted to have a look and walk through over this entire village. So I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you have ever visited this kind of village, what was your experience, if it was good, bad, things like that. And if you are planning to visit one of them, do let me know. I'll take you to my village and see you in the next one. Till then, take it, bye-bye. And as always, guys, stay awesome, God bless. And if you haven't, subscribe, turn on the bell notification and never miss a single video episode just like this one. Stay tuned. Bye.
If you have missed out on the previous one, do check out this video, latest video from DigiPerform's YouTube channel. Do check out over there. And if you haven't subscribed to these channels, tap on the individual logos, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification, and I look forward to see you in the next ones. And yes, This is how I record. It's all natural.